Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. Dear Diary, today is wash day, and I am going to be more intentional about my wash day and really just take my time with my hair. Best I can. So I'm going in and I am going to dry finger detangle. So I'm just going in and just all those little knots just from my hair being in these two plaits. Just really want to make sure that I don't have any tangles in there. Now typically my hair usually don't get knotted or tangled, but I'm just taking extra precaution because of the state of my hair. Also, I do have a lot of product in my hair because I've been trying out a new style in effort to just let that sun, hit my hair, my scalp, because I have been wearing my braids as a safety blanket. So once I have completed dry detangling this side, I'm going to go in with my oldie but goodie. This is the shade Moisture Intensive Hydration, and I'm also going to use my scalp massager or distributor to ensure that I get that shampoo distributed. For the sake of today's video, because I didn't want to take y'all to the shower with me, I'm just going in with a spray bottle, and I am going to get my hair and scalp saturated with water, and then I'll go in with maybe a quarter size amount of shampoo. It really doesn't take a whole lot because of course you guys can see I don't have a lot of hair. But working toward that. So I'm going in with the shampoo. I'm also now detangling with the shampoo in my hair, and then I am just making some little knots in each section after completing. I am repeating the same process. I'm going in and I am just getting that shampoo all in my scalp, on my hair, just to make sure that I really get my hair clean here. I will also, again with this section, detangle with the shampoo in my hair, and then I'll go ahead and twist it up and put it away like I did the back, and we will continue on the opposite side of my head with the other section as well. Doesn't take a rocket scientist, but again, I'm just being a little bit more intentional in the care of my hair than what I had been for the last 3-4 years, because I can definitely see that my hair really is crying out for some TLC from me. So I'm just trying to put forth the effort when it comes to my hair. So I've gotten the back done and the hair tucked away. I got this side done, hair tucked away. So this is the last side remaining. Going in with my spray bottle again, and I'm going to just saturate that section. But before we do, y'all, I meant to show you guys from the dry detangling, that was all the hair shed that I had. So okay, dry detangle. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys that I kind of snapped a little piece of hair, but going in with the spray bottle, saturating this particular section, and then again the same process with the shampoo. I'm using about a quarter size. There you go. And I'm going in and I'm massaging that into my scalp, in addition to throughout the strands of my hair for this particular section. Because there is so much product in my head, that is why I'm just really going in trying to make sure that I get that shampoo in between there. I am detangling again on that side, and then I'm going to put this hair away. Now you guys, I will be right back. I'm going to go and I'm going to wash this out, and I'm going to shampoo my hair a second time. I'm going to do that off camera because look, you guys, y'all know how to wash hair. I don't think I need to show you that or take you to the shower with me on that. But before I do, I am giving myself just a really good massage. I think my scalp loves that. I need that. It is definitely relaxing to your girl. Okay? Okay. As you guys can see how I messed up the nape of my head because I almost shaved my hair off. So y'all, I'm trying to grow that hair back as well tall. Okay, but don't judge. This is a judge free zone. So yeah, so I'm going to use this when I do the second wash. So now we are back. I have completed washing the shampoo out of my hair. So just going to go ahead and take this hair towel off. And then we are going to go in and do something I have not done in a very, very long time. But before we do, this is what my hair is looking like after shampooing it. So I'm going to now go in with a deep treatment mask. Yes. So I'm going to use the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. I have used this in the past. I don't recall there being an issue with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it. Smells absolutely amazing. We can talk about that another day. As you guys can see, this is truly brand new because, again, this is something that I have not done in ages. I'm going to do the 4 sections again. I'm going to apply a generous amount of this to each section, and then I'm going to tuck it away. Okay? And you guys are able to see that here. Okay? So moving right along, we are on this other side, and I'm going to do the same process with the other side. I'm going to just apply the deep conditioner directly to the hair. I'm going to avoid my scalp as much as possible because it's more so for my hair. My hair needs this, you guys. My hair truly needs this. And I must say, you guys, I felt relaxed. I felt good doing this process. I haven't felt this good about doing my hair in a while. I mean, seriously, in a while. So I feel really, really good being able to do this for her. So, same process on this side. I'm starting out with my ends and I'm working my way up to the roots in the application of this deep treatment mask. And by the way, y'all been seeing those little grays around the perimeter of my hairline? Y'all, that's a different challenge within itself. So I am definitely struggling to deal with that. Unfortunately, those grays are premature grays, and that definitely just came from the stress that I was under, and I was under intense stress for a good 2 years strong. So unfortunately, I've screwed myself with these grays. So now that we've got the deep treatment mask in, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it to the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with this here, this deep treatment or whatever, shower cap, whatever you call these things, and I'm going to sit under the dryer. Now that I've sat under the dryer, and y'all, I took a shower too, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this shower cap, and I'm going to go ahead and wash out this deep treatment mask. Now that I've done that, I'm going to follow up with just my regular hair conditioner, and I'm going to apply that to my hair just as I did with the shampoo, and I'm going to wash that out. So, you know, a little camera magic, and this is what my hair is currently looking like. So y'all, this will be the beginning of my new wash day routine. Nothing spectacular, but I hope you guys continue to follow me on my journey. Smooches.